Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can log out or sign out from your YouTube account both on your iPhone and your Android. So in order to log out from your YouTube account, you need to tap your YouTube application, and as you can see, this is the YouTube application. From the down bottom, as you can see, this right bottom, tap your logo, and after tapping your logo this will pop up, and from here as you can see this option switch account, tap here once, and from this screen here as you can see it says manage accounts or this device, you need to tap here once. And from here as you can see these are my accounts, so if you want to delete each and every one you just need to tap here once, and from here you need to tap the remove button. So I don't want to remove it, so I'm just tapping the cancel. But if you want to remove it, just do the process for each and every account. So yeah, that's how you log out your YouTube account on your mobile